Jessica. Welcome to Youzify tutorial video. I'm here to accompany you all dear Youzify members to guide you how to use the Youzify plugin. First, let's begin with how to install Youzify plugin into your WordPress website. Before you install the Youzify plugin, make sure you have installed and activated the BodyPress plugin. Also, make sure you have unzipped the folder that was downloaded from Code Canyon. You will find a file containing the Youzify plugin. Well, this is the file that you will later install into WordPress. Okay, let's straight to the steps. Step number 1, open WordPress admin's dashboard and go to Plugins section, then click Add New and choose Upload Plugin. Next, please choose the Youzify plugin zip file that you have downloaded earlier and then click Install Now. Please wait until the installation process is complete. And this means you have successfully installed the Youzify plugin into your WordPress website. After installing the Youzify plugin, next, we have to do some basic setup. The first one is Setup Activity Page. Go to Pages, then choose All Pages and make sure it has the activity page. Basically, this page will be automatically added when you install BodyPress. But if you can't find it, make a blank page and name it as Activity. Next, go to Settings, choose BodyPress, and then choose Pages tab. Next, setting the activity streams to your activity page. If you are done, please click Save Settings. The second one is Setup Member Directory Page. The same as before, you can check first whether the member page has been created or not. If it's done, go to Settings, then choose BodyPress, and then Pages tab. Next, setting members to the members page that you already have, and then click Save Settings. The third is Setup Groups page. To set up the Groups page, please make sure you have activated the User Groups option before in the components. Check User Groups and then Save Settings. Still the same as before, you can check first whether the Groups page has been created. If done, go to Settings, then choose BodyPress and then choose Pages tab. Next, setting the user groups to the groups page that you already have and click Save Settings. So easy, right? So, that was the video tutorial about how to install Youzify and do some basic setup. Hope it's useful. See you in the next video.